Hi friends, have a blessed day. Have you ever felt worried about your future? Have you ever wondered why success comes quickly for some people but takes longer for others? Have you ever looked at someone else's life and thought, why I am still struggling while they are moving forward? If you ever felt this way, this story is for you. Right now, somewhere in the world, a baby is growing inside mother's womb. The parents do not know the baby's face. They do not know the baby's voice. They do not know the baby's personality. They do not know what the future holds for that baby. But they believe that something beautiful is coming. What is if your life is say exactly the same? What if the future you are hoping for is already being prepared, even though you cannot see it yet? A newly married couple eagerly waits for the day they will welcome a child into their life family. As the months pass, a new life begins to grow inside the mother's womb. The mother can feel the baby's movements. The parents attend medical checkups and they hear the heartbeat and they watch the baby grow little by little. But there is one thing they cannot fully see. They cannot see the child future. They do not know what the child will become. They do not know the dreams the child will chase. They do not know the challenges the child will face. Yet every day they continue to trust the process. They prepare the baby's room. They buy clothes. They make plans, they dream about the future. Even without knowing everything, they move forward with hope. Life works in a very similar way. Many of us spend our lives worrying about what will happen tomorrow. We want answers immediately. We want to know when success will come. When we want to know when our struggles will end. We want to know why our efforts are not producing result yet. But life does not reveal everything at once. Just a baby grows silently in the womb, your future is also being saved in ways that you cannot see today. Every challenge is teaching you something. Every failure is building strength inside you. Every delay is preparing you for something greater. Sometimes we think nothing is happening because we cannot see progress. But some of the most important growth happens silently. A seed grows underground before it breaks through the soil. A baby grows in the womb before entering the world. In the same way, your dreams, your ability, and your future are often growing before any more can see them. Fortunately, the world constantly encourages comparison. People compare marks, people compare jobs, people compare salaries, people compare lifestyles, people compare followers on social media, and many people compare themselves because they cannot speak English fluently. But remember this, English is just a language, it is not intelligence, it is not wisdom, it is not talent, and it is certainly not your value as a human being. Never allow a language to decide your self worth comparison. And if your English is not perfect, keep learning, practice little every day, improve one step at a time. Don't be embarrassed about being a beginner. Every expert was once a beginner. Every confident speaker once struggled. Every successful person once faced failure. Growth takes time. Success takes time. Healing takes time. Learning takes time. Confidence takes time. Just like the baby in the womb, every meaningful transformation needs time to develop. So, Stop comparing your journey with someone else's journey. Your path is different. Your timing is different. Your purpose is different. The fact that someone else is succeeding does not mean you are failing. That fact that someone else is ahead does not mean you are behind. Life is not a race, it is a journey. Focus being a better than you were yesterday. Trust the process, trust your growth, trust the lesson that life is teaching you. One day you will look back and realize that the delays, disappointments, failures, and difficult seasons were not destroying you. They were preparing you. Just as a baby needs timing to grow before birth, your future also needs time to grow before it appears. So do not give up. Don't lose your hope. Don't underestimate yourself. Keep growing. Keep growing. Keep learning every day. Keep moving forward because something beautiful may already be taking shape in your life, even if you cannot see it yet. Your story is still being written, and perhaps the best chapter of your life have not yet even begun. Thank you for listening, and remember, a baby grows in the home without rushing the process. Your future is growing too. Trust the process.